back to my channel. Today we're back with a new dance tutorial video. Yeah! So we are going to learn a dance that I edited like 2 weeks ago, and I did it with two of my dearest friends. One is Tommy, like full name Tomas, and then the other one is Sveta. Her full name is Svetlana. The part that I'm going to explain will be the female part. So yes, for this video I will explain just the female part. If you would like me to explain also the male part, please comment down below the comment section so I can see if someone of you is interested in learning also the male part. If you have any other type of question about dance that I did or any other type of Tibetan dance, please comment. I will try my best to do it. So yeah, let's start because it's going to be a long class. So of course I will include front recording, side recording, and also I will turn my back so it might be easier for you to follow some steps. So let's start. The choreography that my friends and I did, we did it with a hat. So there are going to be some movements where basically we are holding our hat, but today I don't have it with me, so we will just imagine it. Sometimes we are doing also different movements, different poses, so I will explain to you what my friend Svetlana, the girl, did and what I did, so you can choose whatever you like the most. And yeah, let's start. So the first movement, we decided to do it in different beat. The music starts with 4 very strong beats, like tung cha, tung cha, tung cha, tung cha. So basically we just started facing with our back to the camera like this, and we started like down, put it like down like this. We're like here, and then we had our head here, and then we just stand up a different beat, and then we just stand up 1, 2, 3. At the 4 beat we just put our head on. So basically it will be like this: 1 up, 2 up, 3 up, 4. Then the melody starts playing, like the music starts playing, and we start with the movement of our shoulders. We start with our right shoulder and then left. So basically we are just bringing our right shoulder up, facing still directly to the front, right, and then left, right, left. Like you're doing, I don't know how this movement is called, but like you're just swinging your shoulder up and behind, like in front and behind. One hand is on top of our head holding the hat. We just start swinging our right shoulder in front, like 1, and then left, 2. And if you want to add more motion, you can just bring the other arm a little bit forward and like a little bit rolling in it on the outside like this. So basically it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and we are facing to the back. To add more motion, you can choose to lean a little bit to the back and move your feet. How do you move your feet? Basically you're just lifting the opposite heel of the shoulder. If I'm bringing the right shoulder in front, you're just lifting the left heel up. So you're going heel like this, opposite, and then opposite. See? Opposite and opposite like this. So doing this movement, basically also your hips are kind of swinging in front and back, in front and back. We're doing it 2 times, 2 complete times. It will be like this. Our hand is here holding the hat, and 1, 2 slow, and then the other one is fast. 1, 2, 3, and 1 slow, 1, 2, back, in front. So you're just bringing your head back because you have your nice hat here, so you want the public to see the beautiful hat, and then you're just bringing in front. From here, we are going to choose our position because it's like the modeling phase, we call it. So we are like this, and both of the females are going to turn towards the left side, like ta-da-tan. So Svetlana choose the upper position and I choose the lower one. So Svetlana what did is she turned in this position and then she just opened her arm at like L shape. What I did instead was like I turned and I was like in this position with the leg. I had one arm to the hip, the left one, and then the other one is just going to the left side. Okay, so she was up to the right and I was down to the left, like this. Turn and down, like this. Then we switched our position, so basically Sveti was like this. What she did, she just went back, see? Just switch the weight into this pose, elegant pose. So after changing the position, she just go down and lift the one up and bring it back to the position. And down, and then you just turn to the right. What I did instead was like going back like this, and then I just switch, and then you just go down, and now it looks weird without the chupa on, but you go down, and then you go up, and here is a little bit hard because you need, you know, a little bit of strength on your thighs, which I don't have, so I was shaking the whole time. So let's try this with the music. I will try the both part, so you can choose whatever you like the most and try it. Let's go. Singer starts singing. So now we turn to the right. We have this cute position and you're just swinging to the right, to the left, and you walk towards the front. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, and open and up, right, open and up, right, left, tap, right, left, tap, left, right. With the arm, open and down, up, open and down, up. And then from here, you just turn to the left also your hands are like going down to the right. So go down, and then there is a click, and you lift your feet. You are like this. Now you go down, and with the right, you just spin it in front of the camera, of course. So pa, down, and then you go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. With the music. Okay, now there is another part where my friend and I are doing differently. Same movement but different positions. So basically, as you saw, we are just walking back, facing the back. But at a certain point, my friends turn and I stay turned to the back. So you can choose whatever you like. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, and 1, 2, down, 2, bring your hand to the head, and then you go 1, 2, slowly up, and then you just bend your back. What I do is 1, 2, 3, stay, face to the back, and 1, 2, down, 2, up, slowly, 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 up. Now we are faced like this. What I do, I turn to the camera and we both are going to opposite sides. In the original choreography, when we did it in the performance, there was a third dancer and she was just turning behind my back to go to the front. Here there is 3 parts that you can choose. So basically, I am here, I just turn and face her, and I just turn and open my hands to her side. And she's facing the front, so basically she's just open the hands to my side. Just open, 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 open. This step, you just going away. If you want to do the third part, here, my friend Svetlana is here and I'm here. What the third part is doing is basically just switch position. She go to the center and then she just walk in front of the camera like a runaway. So you just walk in front of the camera like this, la, 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 and then you just go to different sides. So after this, just walk. I walk to the left. My friend walk to the right. The center goes to the right. 1, 2, here, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. After this, there is the chorus again. It goes 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you just turn to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then to the left. So you exit basically the scene. Because now there is the male part. So basically the first part of the woman, the female part, is finished. Do this last piece that we learned. In learning the whole first part of the dance. Now let's go to the second part. Remember, we left we come back. We're entering from the right side. Just entering and going around the man, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's pretend the music is changing now. We do a little turn on ourselves to the right. That you do in one step. And after you did a little turn, you just going to end up wherever you start the turn, and then you're bringing basically your whole hands to the camera like this, and also the left giving you support like this. So basically you go 1, and then you just go to the man, which is in the center, and you form like a little mountain on top of the man's head, like this. And then you go with the left, you just put it down in front of the camera. If you are in front of the camera, other people might be in this position, other in this position, other in this position. So important to be precise. Down, 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 down. And then at a certain point, when you're going down, the music is changing, so you bounce, 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 bounce. And you go in and out with your left. Like this. 1, out. 2, out. Just to time, and make sure to leave your right here on top of the man's head, and not do it like this, just going around. After this, 1, 2, 1, 2, you just do a little like jump, which is not a jump, a little up and down, and then you just run in circle around the man. After you finish running around the man, you position yourself one in front of the other. So there is one row of female here, and then one row of men here. So we are here like this, and we open actually our right, left in front, left, right in front, back, and now we go 1 and 2, and our hands are going 1 and 2, left, 1 and open, down and open, and then we turn towards the left. After this, we're just walking like this, swinging our hips. So let's try this part, from the part that the female enter to the, like in the scene, like this, and just go around the man, then you reach your position, and you wait, now you turn, 1, up, down, 1, 2, 3, and in, out, in, turn, and woo! And then you turn, and then you position yourself in front of men, and left, and like this. Now there is the last part, where basically are like face like this, men and women. And now basically the women are going in front and the back, and the men are in the intermediate position among the female, like between the female but back. So basically we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Now the melody change, so we go up and down, now right, up and down, and turn, 1, turn, 2, turn, 3, turn, 4, turn, 5. Same as we did before with the feet, like cross, open, tap, cross, open, tap, but the arms are different. So basically you're lifting one hand up, and then you're bringing everything down, 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 up, down, 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 like this. So we go first to the left, go up, down, 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 up, down, and turn. You're going one, turn, one, turn, one, turn. Up, here, and one, turn, two, turn, three, turn, four, turn, five, and now you face back. After you did 5 turns, you go around the man. So basically what we did is like going around like this. I went to the left direction, so then to the right. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you are in front of your man. The man is here, the other girl is here, and you girls are opening to the edges. So I'm going to the right, Svetlana is going to the left. And 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, down, same shoulder gain. Go 1, 2, up, back, 1, 2, up, up. After this, you just turn towards the left, and with this movement again you go back to finish with your pose. So basically you go 1, 2, 3, and what I did was like turn and finish with this pose. What Svetlana did was like turning, and then she leaned back towards the man, and the man also leaned back towards her. So yeah, this is the whole dance. Let's try this last part from the beginning, and then let's just try to do everything. Yes, let's go. And the left. Congratulations, you made it through the whole dance. Really proud of you. I hope you liked it, and if you would like to see more of this dance tutorial or Tibetan dance video, please subscribe to my channel. I usually dance also with my mom. She's a great dancer, and also with my friends. So if you would like to see it, then subscribe. Thank you so much for everything. Yeah, leave a like, subscribe. That's it. Thank you again, and see you next Wednesday. Bye bye.